We all in a well, but creators man shoot the robots on, chasing us down, and everyone just acting casual. Maybe 'cause it's not actual. I was still a thought, but I couldn't stop one. Then I woke up, which turned out to be stunning. It had all just been a dream. It had all just been a dream. I ran off to the stairs, but the robots were coming my way. I ran away, so I ran away. I simply couldn't stay. I was terrified, but I couldn't stop running. Then I woke up, which turned out to be stunning. That all just been a dream, and all just been a dream.